What's it matter whether we're together? Come calm and stormy weather. I like to think I'm feeling better, but I still wish I never met her. Thinking back when I was just a kid, all the stupid stuff I did. Yes, that life I used to live. I used to love to take, now I love to give. I've made mistakes along the way, I pray that you forgive. Pardon my language or not, but I don't give a shit. This the way I spit, something that you'll never get. Being me is probably why you people hate me. Smoking weed on the daily, I do it greatly. If you want it done, then come and make me. You can never break me. Praying Jesus come and take me. I just wanna love you like I do. Pop an attitude, tell me why you're always acting rude. What's it matter whether we're together? Come calm and stormy weather. I like to think I'm feeling better, but I still wish I never met her. What's it matter whether we're together? Come calm and stormy weather. I like to think I'm feeling better, but I still wish I never met her. Thinking back when I was just a teen, visions of myself up on the screen, smoking green, looking clean. Read my mind and tell me what I'm meant to be. That's telepathy, there's no other person I would rather be. You can never understand me mentally. Got a problem with it, then express it vocally. Mad at me cause I don't care about a consequence. See, you and me are on opposite sides of the fence. Born to raise hell, and that's exactly what I'll do. Ask me anything, I'll simply ask you why the sky is blue. It's just doing what it's meant to do. Fuck around with me, bet your ass I'll fuck around with you too. What's it matter whether we're together? Come calm and stormy weather. I like to think I'm feeling better, but I still wish I never met her. What's it matter whether we're together? Come calm and stormy weather. I like to think I'm feeling better, but I still wish I never met her. I see those clouds rolling in.